Hello again. Andrew with Crawford Company here today to talk to you about the Fall Flex program from Bryant. As we have with every season, we've got some brand new rebates from our Bryant factory partners on all of our high efficiency products, whether it be the heat pumps, air conditioners, or furnaces that your home needs to bring comfort into your lives. Bryant has a brand new offering for all of our customers, the Bryant Red Shield 10-year replacement warranty. If after 10 years any of our products have stopped working, Bryant will replace them if the defect is factory related. This is fantastic news for customers who have products like the 880 or the 987, the 186 or the 184. These products are covered under the brand new warranty. So make sure you give Crawford Company a call today to make sure we can get you all of the best rebates available for your fall heating and cooling needs.